In this video, I'm going to show you how to batch reclassify transactions in QuickBooks Desktop. So to do this, you want to go to the Accountant tab up top, or if you're not in the Accountant version, you want to go to Company, and then here you can find Accounting Tools, and you want to click on Reclassify Transactions. So when you click on that here, on the left, you can see there's a bunch of different accounts. You want to click on the ones which, of course, have some things you would like to reclassify, so the transactions. Now, for example, over here, I'm going to click on Repairs over here, and then I'm going to go to the right here because it's going to pop up like a list. And to batch reclassify, you want to check those which you want to reclassify just like this. So of course, you can just check mark them like that. You could also just click on all over here to actually, of course, see different views. And then when you find the transactions, again, check mark them as you wish. And then when you do so, again, you can just go and filter by that. You can filter by date, different things. You can go down here at the bottom where it says for all selected transactions, change, and then you can select account 2, and then of course you can select one and class 2, and of course here you can select the class you want to change to as well, and then you can just click on the reclassify over here. It's going to start reclassifying, and there we go. That's how you batch reclassified transactions. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.